Hello everyone. Welcome to Beginner Web Development Tutorials with Demarius and Deacon Musabo. We have made it to our fourth video and we're doing JavaScript. We're going to be making things happen. We're going to be pressing buttons and stuff happens when you press that button. So I hope you all enjoy and I hope you all are learning and hope you all are having fun. So we're going to be talking about a couple of keys that we'll be using in this tutorial so that you can have your mind refreshed on where to find them. And we're going to be using the parentheses. We're going to be using the quotation marks. And we'll be using the curly brackets. If you look right there, it's the quotation marks and the curly brackets. And boom, the parentheses. And with all these, you need to press the shift button. So, yeah. Your desktop, you're going to right click and go to Open as Brackets Project like we've been doing. And your index.html page should pop up. And boom, look at all this HTML you've been writing. And now we're going to write some JavaScript down here below the body. So we're going to get started on that. So we're going to go inside of this paragraph and we're going to create an ID. So you put ID equals quotation marks. And we're going to name this ID. The reason why we want to name it is because when we do our JavaScript, we're going to call a function to do something with the ID. So we're going to name it para, short for paragraph. All right, so now let's go down here with the JavaScript with your script tags. And inside of those, we're going to create a function. So you want to spell function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Then we're going to name the function. And I want to name the function action. A-C-T-I-O-N. And you have to open it with some parentheses. And after the parentheses, you have to do curly brackets. Okay, so we're going to write things inside of the curly brackets. And the first thing I want to teach everyone how to do is create an alert. Yes, that's one of my favorite things to do in JavaScript. Real simple, but looks great. A-L-E-R-T is what you're going to put. And then you're going to do some open brackets right here. Parentheses, open parentheses, everyone. You're going to put quotation marks inside of the parentheses. And I think I wanted to say, you clicked the button. Woo! So, when this function happens, then an alert will pop up and say you clicked the button. And you have to put semicolons after. All right. So let's make this button do something when you click it. So the first thing we want to do is write the onClick. So O-N-C-L-I-C-K equals, and we're going to do the action function. So we're going to write A-C-T-I-O-N, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon. Oh, also we have to put quotation marks around this action function. So once we put this inside quotation marks, we have our onClick function. So the action will now happen when we click this button. You will get that alert. You clicked the button because of this action function right here. So let's take a look at that real quick and see actually how it works. So let's click the button. Boom, look at that. You clicked the button. Isn't it great? Let's do it again, just to see. Boom. Again, you click the button again. All right. Let's do it one more time, just for fun. Boom, look at that. You click the button. Okay. So now that we see that this alert actually works, and we know the button works, I would like to do another action. And I want to do a DOM. And you start out by putting document dot get element element by ID. All right. And we're going to do an open parentheses and close parentheses. Okay. And we're going to put quotations inside of this. And inside, we're going to put the ID of that paragraph, which is para, P-A-R-A. As you can see, there is the paragraph right there. And inside is the ID of this paragraph. And it's called para. And we're going to put dot inner INNER HTML equals. All right, so we're going to change this paragraph when you click the button. So we're going to put quotation marks. And I believe I would like to change this to I can code. How about that? Yeah, I can code. Woo! So we got to put a semicolon at the end of this as well. As you can see, we got a semicolon after this and after the alert. So don't forget that semicolon right there and right there. Okay, let's see a live preview of this right here, what we've just done. Let's click that button and see what happens. Boom, you clicked the button. But wait, I can code. Isn't that awesome? The paragraph changed and everything, just like we thought. Go to www.BlueBrazenTech.com and see all the great things we got going on. And then subscribe to Blue Brazen Streams so that you can see all the educational videos.